Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cosplay armor. First, let's gather our core materials. You'll need EVA foam, which is lightweight and easy to work with, along with contact cement for strong bonds. Don't forget sharp utility knives and a heat gun for shaping. Selecting foam thickness is crucial. 2mm foam is great for details, while 10mm works well for structural pieces. Always work in a well-ventilated area for safety. Now, let's move on to patterning. Start by creating paper templates for each armor piece. You can freehand them, trace existing objects, or print patterns from online resources. Once satisfied, carefully transfer these patterns onto your EVA foam using a fine-tip marker. Remember, precision is key here. Use a fresh, sharp utility knife to cut out your foam pieces, ensuring smooth, clean edges for a professional finish. With your pieces cut, it's time to bring them to life through shaping and assembly. Use a heat gun to gently warm the foam, making it pliable enough to mold into desired curves and forms. For assembly, apply a thin, even layer of contact cement to both surfaces you wish to join. Allow it to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes until tacky, then press them firmly together for an instant, strong bond. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches. Before painting, seal your foam with several thin coats of a flexible primer, such as Plasti Dip. This creates a smooth, durable surface and prevents the foam from absorbing paint. Once sealed, apply your acrylic paints in thin, even layers, building up color gradually. For added realism, consider incorporating weathering effects like scratches or dirt, bringing your armor to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.